Our favorite go-to meal that we make probably twice a week, we're making tacos. I am back here today with my lovely girlfriend, Brigitte Bruno. Everyone asks us all the time, what do you eat at home? You must eat an 8-course tasting menu at home all the time because you're dating a chef. In reality, ain't nobody have time to cook an 8-course tasting menu at home. We like to eat quick, healthy, delicious, make a mess with ideally one pan. We're taking some ground meat, a little bit of onion, garlic, ginger, sauteing the ground meat, raw onion, avocado, quick little tomato salad, Greek yogurt, or sometimes
cottage cheese. You want protein forward, but again, a more protein forward option would be you can do Greek yogurt, which is still more tart, so you're gonna still taste like that sour cream. I mean, would that be the correct?
Yep.
Cottage cheese is really great. You wouldn't think.
I like the cottage cheese. I like cheese.
Okay, focus.
Brigitte is also gluten-free. You want to shout out a couple of your good brands that you like to use?
I have tried a lot of different brands for gluten-free tortillas, but corn is gluten-free. This is literally 2 ingredients: stone ground, whole grain white corn, and a trace of lime. This is Margarita's Tortilla Factory. They're great. I just tried these last week. They're a lot bigger. Cayotas, cassava, and again, 4 ingredients in here.
First step, ladies and gentlemen, you want to start cooking the onion and the garlic and the ginger together. All right, so dice the onion nice and small. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save half raw white onion in the bowl because we're gonna actually put those top of the tacos, and the rest of it is what we're gonna cook in the pan with the beef.
And I'm just gonna pick off any bad parts of the cilantro that's a little dead. And remember, y'all, wash your fruits and vegetables. Do you recommend take it off the stem and then cut it, or does it matter if it?
No, with cilantro, you can, the stem is palatable. The stem actually like melts in your mouth. You could eat it. It's not like parsley stem. Pick off the very bottoms of the stem, the bottom like 2 inches, but the rest of the stem you can cut. So onion, garlic, and ginger.
Now that surprised me when Josh made it for the first time, putting ginger in the ground beef. I was like, what are you doing? But it is delicious.
Keep an eye on your onions and your garlic. Don't let them burn. I'm peeling the ginger in the meantime. I like to use a spoon to peel the ginger.
And you're peeling it towards you, correct?
Yep.
Okay, so this is how much you'd recommend to put. You put this much in the meat?
Yeah, one little knobby knob. A medium knob.
That's a medium.
And now watch. Nice and thin. This is our week. This is what we do.
It's just, at the end of the day, tacos are reliable.
Sometimes we have these like ambitious dinner plans. Oh, we'll do this, we'll do that, we'll do this, we'll do that. And then like we get in the shit and we get home and it's late. And like literally we're both like, should we just do tacos? And we're like, yeah, we're doing tacos.
Very, very true.
It's true, right?
Yeah.
Now what I'm looking for with this onion and garlic and ginger, not too much color. You want to soften things up a little bit, soften up the party. As soon as you put that meat in there, the meat's going to start to cool the pan down and everything's going to disperse. So what you want to do is start with this, cook it down to where you want it to be, and then you add your meat. Very important. So now I'm going to go in with the buff.
Ooh.
Okay.
And Josh, would you say, I think this is such a simple meal that, not that it's self-explanatory, but I think what really makes this different or better than any other tacos I've had is the way you prepare the meat.
Well, a lot of times, like traditional tacos are made with braised meat that's been braised for a long time. Right?
Really
braised
good.
pork, braised beef, braised chicken. That's like, they cook it whole and then they pull it apart. So it's like shredded, right? And then you have this sauce that it cooks with, but this is quicker, You mash that up. Okay, then I'm gonna add some salt. Okay, and then I'm gonna add Siete mild taco seasoning is normally what we use. Get that in there. Raw onion, fresh coriander, some Greek yogurt, avocado, tomato.
Okay, you're taking little tops out.
Yep.
Little V.
Yep. Now, if the tomato is really ripe and your knife isn't too sharp, use a serrated knife. So look, take your limes, roll your limes, cut your limes. Mm-hmm. Now take probably 2 of them there, and we're gonna squeeze that lime juice into the meat. Yep. Wunderbar. We're gonna take a little bit of olive oil with the tomato, a bit of salt, a little bit of lime juice, start the party a little bit. We've got our avocado. You try it?
I didn't.
It's real good. You take your meat, put your meat in a bowl. Now, next step, the tortillas. What I like to do with the tortillas is literally just put them straight on the gas element like that. That's what I do.
Just watch out for your hand. Josh is immune to heat.
Fine if you just, do it quickly.
Yeah, quick.
But even on an electric stove, this works fine, right? You might get some smoke in your apartment. Gas is nice, gives it a nice, flavor, color, and heats them up all the way through. It's looking good, B.
Hot. God, son of a...
Guys, it's literally
very
that
simple
simple.
and quick.
fresh raw onion. We got coriander, fresh coriander. We got tomatoes. We got limes. We got meat that we took about 5 minutes to cook. Avocado, Greek yogurt, and
Cottage cheese
or cottage cheese
or sour cream,
or sour cream.
whatever floats your boat again.
Whatever floats your boat again. And then Brigitte likes cheddar cheese. If you're someone who likes spicy like me, hot sauce, perfect application.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's literally that simple. Hot sauce.
My favorite meals. So good. Again, it's quick, it's healthy.
Yep.
You get protein forward. You can have your garnishes, a little bit of vegetable in there. But really, it's filling and it's easy. It's quick.
That's good.
So good and tasty.
No?
Are you okay?
Guys, if you love Brigitte and you love tacos, subscribe for more. Or if you want advice on how to cook better, let me know in the comments and we can talk about it. If you want to see more about what Brigitte and I eat at home on a weekly basis, let me know in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed this video. Brigitte, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for joining me on this beautiful day.